Welcome to the session 6. See, in this session 6 I am directly solving the problem which it is related to the session 5. In the session 5 we have discussed water fluid pressure, Pascal law as well as hydrostatic flows law. It is related to okay. I'll read out the problem. Calculate the intensity of pressure due to the column of 0.3 of meters of water, mercury, oil of specific gravity 0.8. See here what they have given three different types of liquid and they have given the column as 0.3 and you need to determine the intensity of pressure. Let us take one by one. That is, the first one is water. H will be equal to 0.3 meters of water. Height is given. We know that what is the unit weight of water? It is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So pressure of water will be equal to unit weight into height of water. If you multiply gamma into H, we will get the pressure of water. Similarly, in case of mercury, the unit weight of mercury is not known. So for that you have to multiply the specific gravity of mercury by unit weight of water. Okay, so you will get the unit weight of mercury. Then calculate the pressure of mercury, which is equals to unit weight into the height of mercury. Okay, then similarly for the oil, also you need to first calculate the unit weight of oil, that is nothing but which is equal to the specific gravity into unit weight of water. Okay, so then calculate the pressure of the oil. This is how we have to calculate the pressure if the height of the column is given. When it is having a different types of liquid, only we have to vary the density, that is the unit weight of liquid. Next is types of pressure. There are three types of pressure. One is absolute pressure, gauge pressure and vacuum pressure. Absolute pressure is the pressure which is measured with respect to the absolute zero. Gauge pressure is the pressure which is measured by taking the datum as atmospheric pressure. Okay, whereas the vacuum pressure is the pressure which is measured below the atmospheric pressure and it is taken along with the negative sign. That see here the atmospheric pressure at a place depends on the elevation of the place and temperature, and this atmospheric pressure is measured by instrument called barometer, and it is more convenient to measure the pressure above datum pressure, okay, by setting P atmospheric will be equal to 0. Next is absolute pressure. It is the pressure at a point measured with reference to absolute vacuum or absolute zero. And absolute pressure at a point can never be negative, since there can be no pressure less than absolute zero pressure. Next is gauge pressure. If the intensity of the pressure is measured with reference to the atmospheric pressure, then it is called as gauge pressure. Gauge pressure may be more than atmospheric pressure or less than atmospheric pressure. Okay, accordingly gauge pressure at a point may be positive or negative. So there is an expression: absolute pressure will be equal to atmospheric pressure plus or minus gauge pressure. If it is negative, then we call it as negative gauge pressure or vacuum pressure. So it is a pressure which is measured below the atmospheric pressure. Okay. Next is vapor pressure. It is defined as the pressure at which the liquid vaporized in equilibrium with its own vapor. Vapor pressure rises as temperature rises. For example, if you boil a water in a closed container as shown in the figure, okay, all the vapors are collected on the empty surface, okay, above the liquid surface all the vapors gets collected. The pressure exerted by these vapors are called as vapor pressure. So this techniques we can see in pressure cookers. Measurement of pressure. There are two types. One is manometer and another one is mechanical gauges. Manometer is a device used for measuring the pressure at a point in a fluid by balancing same or another type of fluid. Mechanical gauges are the devices used for measuring the pressure by balancing the fluid column by spring or dead weight. So there are few MCQs are there related to this session. Please go through once. Thank you all.